it will be different compared to the roasting level. Later on, we're gonna tackle that. Okay? Lipids, which is mouthfeel, and sugar content of Arabica is 15 to 17% for lipids, and for sugar content is around 4 to 8%. Compared to Arabica, it's much more lesser, as you notice. So basically, Arabica is much more sweeter compared to Robusta. Okay? So Robusta is much more stronger notes, and Arabica is much more sweeter notes. Alright? Arabica grows at a higher level. The altitude of it is around 700 to 2.2 meters above sea level. Compared to Robusta, it can grow in the lower altitude, which is 0 to 800 meters above sea level. Okay? The growing temperature lies between 15 to 24 Celsius, and this one can grow up until 18 to 36. So it can grow in the hotter temperature. Okay? Arabica is, have a low resistance to pests and diseases compared to Robusta. Why? All of the flowers have caffeine content. Okay, caffeine content prevent them for the pest. But the most highest caffeine content for flower trees will be coffee, which is Arabica and Robusta. Alright? What is the flavor notes of Arabica? Sweeter, pleasant flavor, higher in acidity, okay? Smooth and lighter in body. Body means bitterness. That is the jargons of coffee. Alright? Compared to Robusta, Robusta is more bitter, robust flavor, low in acidity, astringent. Astringent is like when you eat grapes, you feel it on your teeth. That's astringency. Okay? And it has a heavy body. Alright? So, Arabica grows in Ethiopia, originated, and Robusta is in Congo. But you can see some books that it's originated in Uganda. It's because Uganda is the one who patented it. Alright? They're the one who registered it first. But the most, the first one that they discovered it is from Congo. Okay? Do you know who discovered Arabica coffee? Do you know the story of that? No? So who discovered the coffee is named Kaldi. He's from Yemen guy. Yemen and Ethiopia is next to each other.